Alright, what's up guys? It's Sora Sneaks here. Today we are doing our first video since all my stuff got deleted. This is gonna be an unboxing video from SofiaKicks.ru, and on top of that, after this, I'm going to unbox shoes they gave me. But I'm gonna first show you guys how to buy from their website with my code and everything too, to get $15 off. And we're also just gonna look around the site and stuff just to show y'all what's up. So once you open it, you're gonna see, by the way, all this stuff will be in the description below. All this information you see here, literally their Instagram, email, WhatsApp, and then their link. But yeah, so you're gonna open up the website. The first thing you're gonna see is all their reviews and stuff like that, and then like all the different options they have. This is honestly impressive. Like, they have a lot of options, and then down here you see more people that did unboxings for them, just so you guys can see the quality. I am going to be unboxing black cats for them after this video though, or after this website review, so like y'all can check it out through that though, and to see what you guys like and see if you guys mess with the quality. I personally think they look great. They're 1-to-1, but some people like certain things. But yeah, you'll see this, and you'll see this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the Jordan 4. I'm gonna go to the black cats, or I'm gonna find black cats. They have cleats too. I just noticed that. That's different. I actually never seen that from any website before. But here are the black cats. So the code might not be up right now, but it will be up by the time this video's up. So what you'll do, you'll click on this shoe, $175 for black cats, which you guys should know is one of the most expensive Jordan 4s like on the market. But so yeah, it's $175. I don't know, I can't even tell you off the top of my head what retail is for these, but you're saving at least 50%, and I know that for sure. Okay, but then you'll go here, you'll find your size. They have all the sizes, which a lot of other sites do not have all the sizes. But you'll do that, you'll add a cart, and then now it takes you here. But if you want more, you just go back and do whatever you need to do. And the code for me is just Sora. Again, I don't know if this is up yet. It is up. Yeah, you get $15 off using code Sora. So instead of paying $175, you get them for $160, which is just a great price. And then you would go proceed to check out, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, code Sora. Use code Sora if you're going to buy it from this video, please. It helps me out, helps them out. It's just better in general. But we're going to check out some new arrivals from them real quick, just to show you guys what they're bringing in. They have some basketball shoes, Kobe's, and then all these, which y'all can see. Lots of options. You guys can get whatever you want here. If you are thinking of a shoe, they got it. They got clothes too. Let's check out some reviews now. They got reviews. As you can see, here we go. They are legit. I can promise you that. I'm not gonna promote anyone that is not legit. So yeah, if you guys have any problems, you can email them at their email that's down below, or text them through WhatsApp, or even DM them on Instagram. Or if you guys have any problems, you can also DM me on Instagram, which all that stuff will be in the description below. But other than that, we're going to get into this unboxing. Again, I'm unboxing Black Cat 4s. It was kind of rushed, so that's why I'm kind of giving all the information through this. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. See y'all later. Dude, the thing you guys been waiting on. These things are actually amazing. I already looked at them, but these guys are like crazy good quality. No bending. They don't fold in. The tongue, as you can see, is super plush. And back tab, check real quick. Everyone likes to do. You know, it means nothing clearly because these are reps, but you know, it's cool though. Toe, box text, of course, amazing. And then the cage goes diagonal, not straight. Same with this side, diagonal down, not straight across. The laces look good. Here's the back, and then here's the bottom. I'm gonna show you guys the other shoe because some companies, the shoes like look different. It's really weird. I don't know how to explain it, but they look like different, I guess. They go down, goes down. Here's the right there. And yeah, laces are good. Here's this as well. Toe box, check. Is dope. And then got this as well. The tongue is the same right here too. And then it also came with this StockX sticker and a tag, which actually works. Y'all can scan it yourself and see. It works like a normal one. Goes to StockX. And here's the sticker. And here's the box. Try to see. You already saw the top. Just the box. And yeah, be sure to check them out. That's it. You had the shoes side by side before I dip. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the first unboxing